Creating a real estate listing website in WordPress is one of the most rewarding ways to showcase properties, attract clients, and even monetize your platform. In this video, I will show you how to create a listing website in WordPress for a real estate website. So to get started, go ahead and get hosting and install WordPress. So you can go ahead and get hosting on hosting providers. You can also avail it on WordPress itself. After that, head back into the theme tab, and then in here, go ahead and install a real estate theme. So use a theme built for property listings such as houses, WP residence, real homes. So go ahead and search for that on the theme section, and you'll be able to find all of the related themes to that. So this is actually a great theme to start with, real estate developer theme. Once you have selected a theme that you want to use, go ahead and click on that activate button at the right side of that. Now that you have your theme already, go ahead and install essential plugins. So you'll need to head over into the plugins tab to search for the essential plugins. So make sure to activate the themes first before you proceed with the plugins. So one plugin to note for is Elementor. So Elementor is popular for its drag and drop design, which would make it easier for you to design your real estate website. Another would be Aesthetic or Easy Property Listings for property management. So this is a necessary tool for adding the property listings. After this, you also need Contact Form 7. So this plugin will allow you to create forms for inquiries on your real estate website. Next would be Yoast SEO. So this for search engine optimization. Now, once you have all of this installed and active, you need to go ahead and create a custom post type for properties. So use your theme's built-in listing system or a plugin like Aesthetic. Add fields like price, location, bedrooms, bathrooms, images, and description. And then go to properties and click on add new. Now design your homepage. Use Elementor or your themes builder. Add a hero section with a search bar. Display featured properties. Include agent contact info or testimonials, and then go to pages, click on add new and name it home and design with Elementor or tag div composer. Launch and promote. Test your site on mobile and desktop and share listings on social media. Consider adding a blog for real estate tips and market updates. Charge agents for featured listings, offer membership plans, add affiliate links for mortgage or moving services would be some of the ways for you to monetize your site. And that is how you can basically create a listing website and WordPress real estate website.